Right, folks, 4th of January already, and I'm back. Yes, on the video on the New Year's Day, I got this report of this car interior up the Kearney Woods at the Melton Bells Bank. I've just up there, by the way. What a lovely area. And some idiot has jumped a car interior. They dumped it over the fence, but I've brought it out here because look at this. Now, this is it here. This car, by the way, is an Audi. It's a completely innocent car. I spoke to the owners up the road there. I've explained what I'm doing, so don't say it's this car. This is out an Audi car, this. Now, I'm not going to sit in it, but have you sat in this car? Because look, there you are. Look at they've done the interior. So somebody in this area has got a new car interior. So they have. And the smoke too, because look, there's a cigarette burn, I would say. So there's the clues, it's the smoker. There you are, there's the seat there, there's the seat there. Oh no, it's too wet to sit in, folks. I'm not going to sit in it, because see if I sit in, I've got to wait. I've got to wait. But there you go. This is what they're doing now. The Kearney Falls is on the road there. What a tourist attraction. Thing of beauty. And the dafties come up here and done this. Hello. So somebody must know who this is. Mind you, maybe beginning of the day, electric cars are roofless. You see what I'm saying? When they're roofing it, you never know. So look about the Melton. Who's got a lovely new interior in their Audi car? Let me know, or let them know their old interior's up here. And by the way, look at that, folks. It's new shine here, eh? Look at that. Look at that. So there you go, and it's need a clean, by the way. So is that, but never mind. So she's all there, but get this shared, and let's get it back to its rightful owner.